Hello, today I'm going to do a bike check. Okay, so got salt bars, I don't know how big they are, ODI, grips in black, animal barends in brown, Mirraco forks in well painted black, front wheel from Halfords, Odyssey atken P-lyte tyre, stock Mirraco Slim, WeThePeople Crisis 08 frame from eBay. It's holding well so far. It feels very smooth. F8 orbit headset, the big thingy. WeThePeople Slim seat. It's a good seat, I think. Stock Mirraco seat clamp because my one broke. Then I got the stock Mirraco Cranks with metal wellgo pedals, which has been good. And then I got a sprocket, which I don't know, came in my old back wheel. Then I got a KMC chain, freestyle chain in blue. It's pretty good, I guess. Took it apart quite easily. Then the same kind of arm, whatever. Mid bottom bracket, piece of rubber to stop me from spinning with quick round tail whips. And an empty 3-peg front and back. Got a hub guard, it's the primo plastic one. It's good so far, it's getting worn down there. And primo pro tyre. And to the big new part, I got this Xsposure back wheel, black hub and rim with orange spokes. I've only just put it on. I haven't really ridden with it yet. I don't know if it's good, but it looks pretty sweet, if I think so. I'm gonna get probably next time I'll get is gonna be the animal ton white wool with the white wool for the back so it doesn't blend in with the black. Then get a new wheel just like that for the front, custom made, and what do you call it, demolition moment tyre for the front in 20 times 3.5, whatever, I don't know. And yeah, my work will look good then. The back was good, I think. It's alright. So yeah, goodbye, comment, rate, subscribe. Thanks for the views on my edit. It's a lot, and yeah, goodbye.